Hey everybody, good morning. It is Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I want to do a review over an air horn that was sent to me from a company called SandShark. So this is compressed air horn. Anybody that boats or fishes, has been on the water basically knows that the United States Coast Guard, this is one of the requirements to have on board, is a signaling device. Now this is a type of signaling device. It's good to have. I actually have a few of them on board. Actually, I also use these at my house when I was younger and I had kids, or I still have kids, when the kids were younger. Say they're out playing, great thing, you could beep it once, yell at them to come in and all that kind of stuff. I also use it to scare animals away and whatnot. It's pretty loud. I don't know how many decibels this one goes. This one, I mean, it's got to be pretty high decibels. I meant to say I don't know how many uses you can get out of it, but it's pretty easy to use. You just basically screw that into there, and you can buy these from SandShark online. You can buy these reusable or refillable containers, compressed air. It's always good to have a couple of these on board. You're out there and all of a sudden, that's pretty loud. And it's just a good device to have. Like I said, if you boat and the Coast Guard, they recommend, or they don't recommend, it is a law. You must have a signaling device, an air signaling device on your boat, or a signaling device, not air, whistle, whatever. Most of us use a horn. This is a horn. And it's just a great product to have. Again, it's the air horn from SandShark. It also comes with a little portable container clip that you can screw onto the side and all that kind of good stuff. Good thing to have. And you're going to need this. Get it. Don't forget it. Be safe. Boat safe. Be happy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.